If you're a YouTube creator, you probably have the same problem I do. Your video ideas are in one app, scripts are in another, thumbnail concepts are saved somewhere else, your publishing schedule is in a spreadsheet, sponsorships are tracked manually, and analytics are scattered across different platforms. Instead of creating content, you're constantly switching between tools just to stay organized. So I started wondering, what if I could replace all of that with one custom dashboard built exactly the way I work? No coding, no hiring a developer, just describing what I need and letting AI build it for me. That's exactly what we're going to do today using SureThing. Instead of showing you another AI chatbot, I'm going to build my own CreatorOS, a complete YouTube content operating system that manages video ideas, script planning, thumbnail concepts, SEO checklists, publishing schedule, sponsorship tracking, and even performance analytics, all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll see how anyone can build their own custom productivity tools with AI without writing a single line of code. With SureThing pages, all you have to do is describe what you want in plain English, and it starts building the system for you. No coding, no complex setup, and no hiring a developer. So let's put that to the test. I'm going to build what I call CreatorOS, my own YouTube content operating system. I'm just going to SureThing.io and opening it. I'll log in with my account, and once I'm inside, this is the main dashboard you'll see. Here you have Conversation, where you interact with your AI team, Pages, where your custom tools and dashboards are, then AI Agents, which handle the actual work, and Routines, which automate tasks on a schedule. Then you have Projects to organize different workflows, and Integrations to connect the apps you already use. There's also Slack, so your AI agents can work alongside your team. So in Conversation, I will add my prompt for this CreatorOS tool. So here's exactly what I'm going to ask it. Build me a YouTube creator dashboard called CreatorOS. I want sections for video ideas, script planning, thumbnail concepts, an SEO checklist, a publishing calendar, sponsorship tracking, and performance analytics overview. Keep everything clean, modern, and easy to manage from one dashboard. Within a few moments, SureThing starts building the entire dashboard. It automatically creates different sections, organizes the layout, and turns my idea into something I can actually interact with. Now let's see what's actually built. I'm opening Pages, and this is the CreatorOS I built inside SureThing. Starting with the overview, I get a complete snapshot of content business: total views, watch hours, CTR, subscribers, ad revenue, and sponsorship pipeline. I can also see views performance, idea pipeline, and upcoming content right here, so everything is organized in one place instead of being scattered across different tools. It also generated the entire workflow. I have dedicated sections for ideas, scripts, thumbnails, SEO, calendar, sponsors, and performance, all connected in one workspace. So from planning a video idea to tracking its performance, everything is managed in a single system. Now let's see if this is actually practical for everyday use. Whenever I start planning a new YouTube video, the first challenge is always finding a strong idea. Instead of opening multiple tabs and saving random notes everywhere, I can keep all my video concepts in one place. Whether it's a future AI tutorial, a SaaS review, or a new business idea, everything is organized and easy to revisit whenever I'm ready to create. Once I've chosen an idea, I move to the script planner. Instead of starting from a blank page every time, SureThing helps generate a structured outline based on my topic. It organizes the flow into sections, suggests talking points, and helps me build the first draft much faster. I can review everything, make changes, and keep full control, but the heavy lifting is already done for me. It's much cleaner than jumping between different documents and note-taking apps. Next comes one of the most important parts of YouTube, getting people to click. Instead of just storing thumbnail ideas, SureThing can generate multiple thumbnail concepts based on my video's topic and save them directly inside the dashboard. That gives me several creative directions to compare before I even open my design software, saving a huge amount of brainstorming time. Then I move over to the SEO section. Instead of manually researching everything, SureThing analyzes my video and generates optimized title ideas, descriptions, keywords, and tags directly inside the dashboard. I can compare different versions, make edits if I want, and approve the ones I like before publishing. Once everything looks good, I simply review the final content and hit approve. From there, SureThing handles the publishing workflow in the background, scheduling everything at the right time and keeping track of upcoming releases. Instead of remembering every deadline myself, I just make the decisions while the AI takes care of the repetitive work. And because sponsored videos are a regular part of my channel, I also included a sponsorship tracker. Instead of maintaining separate spreadsheets, I can keep track of brand names, script approvals, deadlines, payment status, and publishing dates in the same workspace where I manage my content. Finally, the analytics section gives me a single place to review my channel's performance and monitor how my videos are doing over time. Instead of constantly switching between different tools, everything I need is available inside one dashboard. What I like most about this isn't just that AI built a dashboard for me, it's that I didn't have to compromise or squeeze my workflow into someone else's software. I simply described exactly what I wanted, and SureThing turned that idea into something I can actually use. And that's the biggest takeaway from this video. Every creator has a different workflow. Some people need a content planner, others need a client management system, a business dashboard, or even a personal productivity tool. Normally, building something like that would mean learning to code or hiring a developer. But with SureThing Pages, you can describe your idea in plain English and let AI build it for you. So instead of asking, does this software have the feature I need? You can start asking, what do I actually want to build? That's a completely different way of thinking, and honestly, that's what impressed me the most. If you'd like to build your own custom tools without writing code, you can check out SureThing using the link in the description below. And if you'd like the exact CreatorOS dashboard I built in this video, comment "build" below. If enough people are interested, I'll share the prompt or access details so you can build the same system for your own YouTube workflow. I hope you found this useful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.